guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to be doing a decluttering cleaning video of my vanity. My daughter did get into my makeup, so everything is just everywhere, so I want to get that cleaned up. So if you guys would like to see how I organize and clean my vanity, please keep on watching. So on the top I have all my earrings. I have my charger, just because I charge my camera every night. All my brushes, my perfumes and lotions. I have my oil and my lotion because I put that all night long. And then over here I have all my rubber bands, just like little knickknacks back here. I have some earrings, and then safety pins. And then in this one I have all my brushes and an extra mirror back there. I have all my flat irons and curling irons and stuff. And then over here I have my hair clips, my headbands, my extensions, just hair accessories. I have my camera stuff, and then extras. This is stuff from MAC that is empty and doesn't have anything anymore, but I collect them because if you do, well, they used to have a policy, I don't know about now, but you take 15 items, then you'll get a lipstick for free. I mean, why not? So that's that. And then on this side, I have my lipsticks, eyeshadows, glitters, more eyeshadows here. I have my highlighters, bronzers, beauty blenders, blushes, powders, and translucent powders. Over here I have lipsticks, lip liners, eye makeup, just primers and just extra stuff, foundation, palette. Over here I have all my palettes, and normally I put them here, the ones that I normally use most. I have Morphe, and BH Cosmetics. And then I have my Huda Nude. I have glitter. I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then that one was a gift from my sister-in-law, which is the James Charles. And then back there I have more palettes, and then over here I have little MAC palettes and my Urban Decay. And then over here I just have makeup bags. So I have more inside here and back here. So that's it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell on so you will get notified every time I do post. I do make organizing videos. If you guys would like to see more organizing tips and cleaning videos, go check it out. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.